be crispy and put my leg.
Cool, crispy and original. Right, yes, alright. Gracias.
Leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Lot of leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Leverage. I don't know. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. I don't know, say boy Leverage Boss. And we're there in Santo Domingo To. And hungry right now, so we're gonna try some KFC, you see me? So we're there one right now. Right there, so. And to the looks of it, look like it's even cheaper than the regular price. Regular KFC them, cause see price per a sandwich meal, and I say like it has a 265 pesos, and that roughly about $4.50. You can't get that nowhere else, so I guess it's a cheap, but we're gonna go in there and see if it have a vibe. You see me? So you know leverage nation. We are going there, you know? KFC.
Oh, man, come on, that way, my dear. I guide him again, but I can't see where I'm going.
Yeah, man, so we are going there, look on the menu and see what we get, and see if the chicken them better is more tasteful. Save them one of them on a barbecue. Oh, see that them all have some 350 pesos, say what? Some wings. So we'll take a look and go in there, you know? Watch your go on. Opposite of Jamaica right now, that KFC are empty. I use the bathroom right now. Place nice. Claro. Domino's over there. So we are check it in, check it out as well. Ready? Nice machine.
Una película ahí entonces, ¿no? Una película, la película.
Yeah, I don't know what the man I say now. We have to pick up our Spanish. Yeah, see me. So come, I use the bathroom. Yeah. Ice them off on it, man. Cool it down, man. So we can get off our menu. Menu looks good already. FC Leverage Nation out here, you know? So we can get off our menu. Wait. I just look like I want flavor, them not have no oh, them have chaos. Chaos I forgot to use.
So what?
See where I go and feed, you know?
You know Spanish boy?
Yeah. Dining or takeaway?
Eh?
Take out?
Yeah.
So we are going for a minute right now because Right now, just try them chicken. I tell you, no, festival barbecue. Boy, they say English, but thing are kind of Spanish. Okay. So we're going right just now. Popcorn chicken. Cheese combo. Try a 3-piece here, man. Oh, so they have crispy, original. Oh, this mix. Try this. Crispy and original alone in mouth. Try a mix. That's it. Pop-up frita. Oh, pop-up frita grande. Bien familiar. Okay. Get a small one. You know, so I don't want a regular cup. I'll try them grape soda. Alright. Oh, this ice cream. Oh, try this and tell me. Right? Yeah, try it for you, vlog. Frig it. Right, leverage me a shot. Yeah, man. Yeah, try it. Chocolate. Cheese. All this. Chocolate, all this. I'll go with the chocolate one. I really fancy chocolate still. I'm going to try that one this time. Alright. So that leverage. Yeah, man, that is it, leverage nation. We'll get it this up. So, we are going to test it out. I'll tell you it tastes. Check it in a DR. KFC. You know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, much of them chicken.
Yeah, what you get?
A cheap piece of get there. I don't know what it's hungry.
So the mall I get it ready there already. Hello.
¿Tú estás grabando para acá?
¿No?
¿Tú estás grabando para acá?
Oh, shit, so I put the camera up on that.
No me grabo.
Oh, no. Come.
Un helado de pieza y un helado de fresa y 3 piezas. Con papas pequeños. Dale el helado que está ahí.
We be back.
Like a beer, crispy and put like that.
Cool, crispy and original. Right, yes, yeah. Gracias.
be crispy than my one, brother.
I what I get? That's all I got. Right. Man, playing out the door, I mash it up.
Well, I'm still not buy a original, brother. You don't like crispy like that, dog.
No, I get mixed.
What that me do?
No, the way I get mixed, I should I get original.
I'm going to have to test those, you know?
Oh.
Buy one piece of blood clot, right?
That is it, man. We're out here. So, where I go home and go try it. Well, where we stay, we'll go try it and then tell you if, which one of them better, if Jamaican whatever comparing to this, you know? So yeah, that's a leverage. Yeah, so leverage nation. We'll try the KFC. We'll see if it's better than Jamaica KFC, you know? Yeah. So today, let me see, so try to set up this little bit better. Yeah, so today we try this ice cream thing how them have going on. Smell like strawberry, look. Ice cream, let me see. Nah, eat too much of it in a car, not really. Okay. Wait too long to melt, but actually it tastes good, man. Ice cream. It tastes good. Actually give it ice cream. Give it a 9.5 out of 10. What may I expect? Tastes alright, it not taste bad. So let's try take some bite off of the biscuit. One again. Biscuit tastes like regular biscuit, so we normally eat. Tastes like KFC and biscuit at Jamaica, so same. The fries now kind of different. Kind of get soggy for me. Fries alright. Fries alright. I'll give it 8. The reason I'm getting 8 not even fair because the shit's saggy right now. I can't really like saggy. I guess this is the original chicken. It's alright, but I think that I don't know. The original, they give it a close contender, you know. But in a beat Jamaica KFC. Original. So let's try the crispy. Would I say with the have it as it's a crispy? Would you compare it as spicy? So see there. maybe compared to American KFC. Let me see. Oh. Spicy, not really spicy. It a missy something. To me, Jamaica spicy better than this. Not be biased. Sorry, they are, but me nah. In a beat KFC. A matter of fact, I ask somebody about KFC. We're in the closest one, and I tell you no, because it look like they don't even really care about KFC over here, you know. So maybe like tomorrow or so, we'll try to find out what the most popular franchise they normally eat over here, but look like KFC none of them. But to me, so far, like a popcorn say, a whistle a win. Whoa! Jamaica KFC, beauty. But to me, overall, can't eat it. So overall, me give it a solid 8. Give it a 8, you see me? But to me, I'm gonna try that out. Other spicy, because you have other crispy, subset spicy. It's not bad. It's not bad, but it's just not. To me, it's not more compared to American. Sorry. Not more compared to American KFC. This. I don't think you can compete. Don't think you can compete with Jamaica one. So, you have it. You give it a solid 8, probably 8.5. I'm not eating because I want it happen better because it's a So, Leverage Nation, thanks for tuning in. Watch me go KFC, try them KFC in Santo Domingo To. Until next time, you know Leverage Nation. We're out. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leverage. Ah, the leverage. Yeah. I'm out.